Looking for the best cordless impact wrench without wasting hours comparing specs? Stick around, this list goes from the weakest to the absolute best, so you can make the right choice fast. Let's kick things off with the lightest option on the list, the SEYVUM Cordless Impact Wrench. This one lands at the bottom of our ranking, but don't count it out just yet. It's compact, easy to handle, and comes as a full kit, making it perfect for those just getting into DIY or occasional car work. With 320 foot-pounds of torque and speeds up to 3000 RPM, it definitely holds its own for basic tasks. It comes with a variable speed trigger, LED light, and even multiple impact modes, and the kit includes everything: battery, fast charger, sockets, and a carry bag, which is great value for beginners. That said, it's just not made for heavy-duty work. Compared to the others on this list, the torque is pretty low. It'll struggle with rusted bolts or anything really stubborn. And while it's light, that also means it's not as robust or long-lasting as more pro-level tools. So if you're a weekend DIYer or just want a budget-friendly wrench for light car maintenance, the SEYVUM is a great starter. And hey, all the links to every tool in this video at the best price are in the description right below. Next up, we have the Milwaukee Mid-Torque Wrench. This one steps things up in terms of build and features, landing just above the SEYVUM in our ranking. It's incredibly compact, lightweight, and feels like a premium tool right out of the box. What makes this one shine is the power-to-weight ratio. You get 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque in a body that's just 3.5 pounds. Plus, it has 4 smart drive modes, including auto shutoff and bolt removal. The tri-LED lighting is also super bright and well placed, which is a small detail that makes a big difference in dark corners. Now, the downside? No battery. This is a tool-only purchase, so if you don't already have a Milwaukee battery, you'll need to grab one separately. Also, while it's great for most tasks, it doesn't hit the torque numbers of the top-tier models here. This is perfect for pros who already own Milwaukee tools or anyone who needs a compact but capable wrench for regular use. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews just like this. Now we're getting into serious torque. The Seesii WH760 offers impressive performance for its price and lands right in the middle of our list. It's the first one here that really pushes into high torque territory. It's rated at 738 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, comes with not 1, but 2 batteries, and includes a complete kit with sockets, an extension bar, and a sturdy case. It's fast, efficient, and more powerful than you'd expect from a lesser-known brand. That said, we couldn't confirm the fastening torque, and while the build is solid, it doesn't quite feel as refined or rugged as Milwaukee or DEWALT. Still, for what it costs, the performance is very impressive. If you're working on your own vehicles or want a strong backup tool for the shop, the Seesii is a great value buy that won't let you down. Stepping up, the CRAFTSMAN high torque wrench brings a lot of muscle in a surprisingly compact package. With 1000 breakaway and 700 fastening torque, this is a solid choice for serious jobs. It's got a durable build, 3 speed settings, a variable trigger, and a brushless motor that delivers consistent power. The hog ring anvil makes swapping sockets quick and easy, and the entire kit feels well thought out and ready for action. It is heavier than the others, especially with that 4 ampere-hour battery installed. And while it's great for most jobs, it may not be quite enough for the toughest industrial use cases. This one's for mechanics, heavy DIYers, or anyone who needs a reliable pro-level tool without jumping to top-tier prices. A real workhorse. And finally, we reach the king of the hill, the DEWALT High Torque Beast. This wrench delivers unmatched power and tops our ranking for one simple reason: raw performance. With up to 1400 pounds of breakaway torque and 1030 for fastening, this thing doesn't mess around. It's packed with features like precision wrench mode, 4 speed settings, and a shock-absorbing battery mount that protects your gear. The LED work light is bright and everything about the build screams heavy duty. Now, it is heavy, no question. At over 10 pounds with the battery, this is not something you want to hold overhead all day. But that's the trade-off of having this much torque in a cordless tool. If you're working in a professional garage or tackling serious industrial jobs, this is the wrench you want by your side. It's the most expensive, but it's worth every penny if you need that kind of power. All the top picks are linked in the description, so be sure to check them out and get the best deal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real-world tool reviews.